Ever found yourself at a bustling market, a quirky craft fair, or even a friend's online shop, ready to make a purchase, only to realize they don't take your preferred payment method? It's a frustrating experience, a momentary roadblock in what should be a seamless transaction. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the ways we exchange money are constantly shifting. From traditional cash and credit cards to a plethora of digital wallets and peer-to-peer payment apps, the options can feel endless. And for businesses, navigating this complex web of payment preferences is crucial for staying competitive and catering to a wider customer base. One such digital payment platform that has gained immense popularity, particularly in the United States, is Venmo. Known for its ease of use, social features, and quick transfers, Venmo has become a go-to for millions for splitting bills, sending gifts, and even making small purchases from friends. But the question on many business owners and customers' minds is, are they accepting Venmo payments at your store? Think about it. You're browsing an online boutique, you found the perfect item, and as you hit to checkout, you see the familiar blue and white Venmo logo. A sigh of relief washes over you, a quick, familiar payment process awaits. Conversely, imagine the slight disappointment when Venmo isn't listed, forcing you to dig out a credit card or go through a more cumbersome checkout. For businesses, the decision of which payment methods to accept is a significant one, impacting everything from customer satisfaction to transaction fees. Integrating a new payment option like Venmo requires consideration of various factors, including its popularity among the target audience, the associated costs, and the technical infrastructure needed for implementation. So, let's delve deeper into the world of Venmo and explore its potential as a payment solution for businesses. We'll uncover the benefits of accepting Venmo, the potential drawbacks, how businesses can integrate it, and ultimately, help you determine if offering Venmo payments is the right move for your store. First and foremost, why has Venmo become such a household name? Its appeal lies in its simplicity and social integration. Originally designed as a peer-to-peer payment app, Venmo allows users to easily send and receive money with friends and family. Its user-friendly interface and the ability to add notes and emojis to transactions have fostered a sense of connection and informality around digital payments. This social aspect has contributed significantly to its widespread adoption, especially among younger demographics. Now, let's consider the advantages for businesses that choose to embrace Venmo. One of the most significant benefits is access to Venmo's massive user base. Millions of active users are already comfortable and familiar with the platform. By accepting Venmo, businesses can tap into this established network, potentially attracting new customers who prefer this payment method. Particularly for businesses targeting younger consumers or those active in the digital space, offering Venmo can be a major draw. Furthermore, Venmo can offer a streamlined checkout experience, especially on mobile devices. For customers who have the Venmo app installed, paying can be as simple as a few taps, eliminating the need to manually enter credit card details or navigate complex payment gateways. This ease of use can lead to higher conversion rates and reduced cart abandonment, ultimately boosting sales. Another potential advantage lies in the perceived lower transaction fees compared to some traditional credit card processing. While Venmo does charge businesses a small fee for commercial transactions, it can be competitive with other payment options. This can be particularly attractive for small businesses or those operating on tight margins. Beyond the practical benefits, accepting Venmo can also enhance a business's image as modern and customer-centric. By offering a popular and convenient payment method, businesses signal that they are attuned to the preferences of their customers and are willing to adapt to evolving digital trends. This can foster goodwill and strengthen customer loyalty. However, like any payment solution, Venmo for Business also comes with its considerations. One potential drawback is its primary focus on the U.S. market. While its popularity within the United States is undeniable, its international reach is limited. For businesses with a significant international customer base, relying solely on Venmo would not be a viable strategy. Another aspect to consider is the potential for chargebacks and disputes. While Venmo has measures in place to address fraudulent activity, the process might differ from traditional credit card dispute resolution. Businesses need to familiarize themselves with Venmo's policies and procedures for handling such situations. Furthermore, while Venmo is known for its ease of use for consumers, the integration process for businesses might require some technical setup, depending on the e-commerce platform or point-of-sale system being used. Businesses need to ensure that their systems are compatible with Venmo's business platform. It's also important to note that Venmo's social feed, while a key part of its appeal for personal use, is typically not a feature integrated into business transactions. Customer privacy and transaction details are generally kept separate from the public feed in business interactions. So, how can a business actually start accepting Venmo payments? For online stores, integration is typically done through payment gateways that support Venmo as an option. Popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, PayPal, which owns Venmo, and others often offer seamless integration. Businesses will usually need to set up a Venmo business profile and connect it to their payment processor. For brick-and-mortar stores, the process might involve using a point-of-sale system that supports Venmo QR code payments. Customers can then scan the QR code displayed by the business using their Venmo app to complete the transaction. This offers a contactless and convenient payment option for in-person purchases. The decision of whether or not to accept Venmo ultimately boils down to understanding your target audience and their payment preferences. If a significant portion of your customer base is already using and comfortable with Venmo, integrating it as a payment option can be a smart move to enhance their shopping experience and potentially attract new customers. Consider the demographics of your typical customer, their tech savviness, and their likely preferred payment methods. Furthermore, evaluate the costs associated with accepting Venmo payments and compare them to your existing payment processing fees. Assess the technical feasibility of integrating Venmo with your current systems and ensure that your team is prepared to handle transactions and any potential customer inquiries related to Venmo payments. It's also worth considering starting with a pilot program. You could offer Venmo as a payment option for a limited time or to a specific segment of your customer base to gauge its popularity and identify any potential issues before a full-scale rollout. Customer feedback can be invaluable in making this decision. Don't hesitate to ask your customers about their preferred payment methods through surveys or social media polls. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.